Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we are going to see that how can you mosaic a raster dataset in ArcGIS. So what is mosaicing in GIS? Mosaicing is actually refers to the process of combining multiple raster dataset, or it can be images, to create a single seamless or continuous image with 2 or 3 or 4 different raster dataset. And now you can see over here I have an image of Landsat 5, and the first part of the image is representing this area, and the second part of the image is representing this area. So after mosaicing, we will get a raster dataset that will have the both raster dataset in one raster image. So for performing mosaicing analysis, first of all, let's go to Arc toolbox and then go to data management tool, and then go to raster, and then go to raster dataset. From here, select mosaic to new raster tool, and then input will be your raster dataset 1 or 2 or 3 images you want to mosaic or merge. And from here you will select the output location. In this case I am selecting this location folder, and here you will write the name of your file with extension. So my name will be mosaic.if, and then spatial reference of raster dataset. Let's go to its properties and then go to its source and check its raster, that is UTM zone 50 north. So go here and select UTM zone 50 north, and then again for pixel type, again go to its properties and then check the pixel source type and depth. It is unsigned integer 8-bit. So you can select other options too, but in this case I have unsigned 8-bit. Okay, unsigned 8-bit, and then cell size. So you know that the cell size of Landsat 5 for Landsat dataset is 30 meter, and then this option is optional. You can leave it or you can fill this. So for Sentinel it can be 10 or so on. So number of bands. So for confirming number of band, let's go to the image properties, and then here's number of band are 6, and select 6 and hit OK. So here in this output you can see that we have perfectly merged and mosaic our 2 raster dataset into one raster dataset. But when I will apply a band combination on this raster dataset, like 4 and 5 and 3, okay, you can see over here that we have no data value in our raster dataset, and you will also face this issue with many other raster dataset or with all Landsat imagery in future. So performing this, just hit a right click on your raster dataset and then go to data and export data, and then just write 0 on no data value, and you can also assign a destination to your output, and then you can also give a name to your output like clear raster .if and save. Yes, and remove this one. So now let's add a band combination like 4, 5 and 3. So now we have no data value in our raster dataset. Many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.